starting in VOXL utils 132, which will ship with SDK 1.1 roughly after this date. We have a new kernel module that we can load runtime that allows us to get a IP connection over the USB connection we normally use ADB for. So here, ADB shell, I have a USB cable connected to VOXL 2 that I can ADB shell over. And then I also have this guy hooked up to my wireless LAN. So I'll SSH onto this one, because what we're going to do is demo using a new interface that's going to be on VOXL 2 called USB 0. That will have an IP address 10.0.0.1, and then it'll allow a new network interface to enumerate host side, and we could add an IP address to that and route to it. And then you could have like VOXL portal and Q ground control connected. I'll get that guy running in the background over the USB connection, which is rad. So right now we have SSH connection right here, and we have an ADB connection right here. So what I'm going to do is run a utility called QRB5165 USB Gadget, and right now it's just this G-Ether option, and this will allow us to get this new interface up. And watch, I'm gonna lose ADB though, so it's gonna warn you, you're gonna lose ADB. So I lose ADB, but I have a new interface called USB 0 right here, and then on my Mac, a new interface would enumerate ifconfig. It's this en20 pops up. Just trust me. So I'm going to go ifconfig sudo ifconfig en20 10.0.0.2 netmask 255.255.255.0 as example. So now I have two interfaces that can talk to one another. en20 has this IP, and if I go to 10.0.0.1, I actually over USB now have portal. So I'm gonna kill Wi-Fi. And voila, we still have connection, which is pretty cool. Because I'm not using Wi-Fi, I'm using the USB cable. So I could say bye-bye, and we're still good. And then, what's more, we could do QGC connection now, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go right here and click on application settings, comms link. I'm going to add UDP connection to 10.0.0.1, add server. Name, VOXL 2, okay. Connect, boosh, connection.